You can compare the measurements of two objects without having to take any measurements. In cases like this, use inequality symbols. Here are two pens, A and B. By placing the pen side by side, like this, you can tell that A is longer than B, without knowing the exact lengths of A and B. If we let the letters represent the lengths, then we can write these inequalities. A is greater than B. Or B is less than A. Here are more examples. Here is a scale for comparing weights. Item B is heavier than item A. If we let the letters represent the weights, then you can write this inequality. B is greater than A. Or A is less than B. Now let's use this idea to compare height. Height is how tall something is. Like length, heights can be compared by putting two or more items side by side. Here are three plants, each labeled with a letter. If we let the letters represent the height of each plant, then we can arrange the heights from shortest to tallest using this inequality. B is less than C is less than A. In order from tallest to shortest, you can use this inequality. A is greater than C is greater than B. Now let's look at an example of height measurements using numbers. A person's height can be measured in feet and inches. Here are three students, and their heights are shown in inches. We compare the heights by comparing the numbers. Use place value to sort the numbers from least to greatest. 48 is less than 52 is less than 54. Using a number line helps with comparing measurements. As you can see, in going from left to right the values increase. When you see numbers graphed on a number line, their relative position tells you which values are greater than others.